see my makeup, watch it in another video. I did both videos in one day. So I'm going to show you guys how I apply my wig. So first what I do is I take off my head thing. So as you guys can see, my hair is like crazy. Like, this is old braids. Like, I just put my wig back on, like, wash my hair once in a while. Like, all my hair is just coming out. Like, don't be looking at me like I'm a bald bitch. I know that's what you guys are doing, because I'm not. My hair is really, really fucking long. Just making that clear. Okay, so I look so weird like this. Like, I never thought that I would go on camera showing you guys my my sick beard up. Look at that shit. Okay, so whatever. So first thing I go in is with this. And this is the Walker tape extra hold. This is tape. I love tape. I use Ghost Bond. Like, I bought Ghost Bond Extreme or whatever they want to call it. Ghost Bond something. I don't fucking know. But it was Ghost Bond. Because I'm hearing a hype about Ghost Bond. Use it. Embarrassed me. Like, let's just put that out there. Embarrassed me. So because I have closure wigs, I just use like a strip that's literally this small. And then what I do is I take some, I don't know if you guys can see. No, you guys can see. But these are alcohol swabs. So I take alcohol swabs because there is makeup on my forehead. And you need to clean your forehead before you apply this tape, or it's not gonna work. So what I do is just clean up all the makeup. Clean up. Kind of rub it in my hair too, just like if there's any oils in my hair, to get it out. So I only clean up like how far the tape is reaching, because yeah. So next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push everything back, put it on my head right above, okay, right before my hairline. But in here, like for me, like sometimes I do it because I don't like that small forehead look. Like, my forehead's naturally big, so I'm not gonna finesse and make my forehead like super small. I'm not gonna make my forehead super small. Like, I don't have time for that. I think that look is so ugly. I don't know, this tape, taking off this tape is so much harder than any other tape I've had. Like, so what you're gonna do now is you're gonna take the tape off slowly, because it does lift it kinda. So what I do now is oh shit, I didn't mean to put that much, but whatever. I put it at the edge, like where it is on my hair. I put it at the edge, and I just let it stay there. So then, this is my wig. Shit's dusted. You guys are gonna see me transform myself into a bad bitch. Okay, so this is my wig. It is a closure. I already put foundation on because I did have to slip it on. I did have to slip it on this morning to go out with my mom. So I put some foundation here. I think everyone should do that. Put their foundation here so that your part looks more natural looking. So next, what I'm gonna do is put it on my head. So don't get any hair on the tape. Start from the back. Start from the back and bring it up halfway. Oh, crazy spot. So now I'm gonna take my thread. This is a big ass thread because I do hair, so I do people's hair, so my thread is extra big. And I take some thread, my needle, and yeah, because this wig, like, I don't use clips. I don't know, maybe I should, because I just had a wig, that bob wig that you guys seen, that has clips in it and it stays, whereas this one I sew it down because my hairdresser makes this one, so I just sew it down so that it looks nice. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is slide it up, and place it where you place it in the middle. So this is where I want it. This is where the tape, I don't know if you guys can see, but this is where the tape is, and I just place it right upon the blood clot tip, and I put it like that. It still looks weird, but it's okay. So now I'm just gonna fix it on my head first and foremost. Okay, a clip and put it up, because now I need to sew. So, oh, like, my room is hot as hell, so I'm gonna sew into the braid. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna sew into the braid and then into my wig, and then take it, and then I'm gonna keep doing that all the way around. I don't know what's happening right now, but all the way around. And try not to lift the hair up as too much as you're doing this, because you're gonna, like, it's not your lace, your lace and your shit isn't fully pressed down. Okay, actually, you know what I'm gonna do? Take your tail comb. This is a tail comb, brat tail comb, whatever you guys want to call it, and go like this. So you're just gonna go like that so that it melts in to the please excuse my nappy ass edges, but we made it to the next side because my camera keeps frigging dying, or not dying, but keeps saying I don't have enough storage. Like, I have to delete everything just for it to act right. But at this point I'm on the next side and I'm continuing to sew. So I just sew, loop it to knot it, loop to knot it, and then I cut it. If I can find my scissors. Where are my scissors? Scissors. Okay, because I just used found ya. I just cut like that. Like, even though I knot it again, so see, knotted it, cutting it again. So now it's on my head, and we're gonna do some, go in with GOT2B glue. Okay, honestly, you guys gonna have to just deal with that baby hair right there. Okay, paddle brush. Got this from Forever 21, and I'm gonna take this spray, this H2O water bottle. It says the best water bottle. It's not even joking. It's the best water bottle. Look at it. So I'm just gonna spray the hair. Look at that. I don't even have to hold it, and it sprays. Look at that. So I'm gonna. Usually, like, I just go in the shower, but because I'm doing a video, I have to spray the hair. Like, I literally drench my hair with, like, the ends dusted, the back dusted. Like, this just feels like, I don't know how girls use spray bottles in their hair. Like, honestly, just go in the friggin' shower or put your head in the damn sink, because this spray bottle shit, too much. And I think I'm probably gonna have to go in the sink anyways, because it's not giving me that, oh shit, it's not giving me that look I'm going for. Maybe it's because it's been too long since I put this wig on. But, and the thing of when you like sew your wig on, it's so much more secure. Like, it feels literally like a sewing. Like, if I wasn't what was I just saying? Oh yeah, if I didn't have, like, if I didn't sew it, this would have been horrible. Okay, honestly, you know what? I'm just gonna go wet my hair because fuck this shit. It's taking too long. Honestly, going through hell and back right now. Like, fucking shit won't friggin' hold no weight. Stupid ass. Okay, so to wet it again a little bit, because it's all like dusted now. Okay, so I wet it, and now, like, it doesn't even get that full wet effect right now, because when I wet it in the sink, it dried, because I had to like import all the videos onto my camera and then come back. So whatever. So next I'm gonna take this Cantu Natural Wave Whip curling mousse. Put that all up in that bitch. The ends. Some on this side. Mix this. Curl mousse. Curl mousse, curl mousse, curl mousse. And I put it at the top especially so I can get that flat top look. Then I go in with my hard brush like, oh shit. Go in with my hard brush like this. I don't even go down, I just do the top to make it flat. And brush through. And then like kind of like play with it. Shit. I kind of like play with it. Honestly, if you guys want to know where I got this wig, my hairstylist made it, and I'm gonna put her name down below. And you guys can follow her on Instagram if you guys are in the GTA, or if you're not, I don't know, she's willing to ship to y'all if y'all live in the States or some shit. But she made this wig for me, and her prices are like reasonable. Like, it's not no fucking $500 for a fucking to make some wigs. Like, her prices are really, really, really good, and she like fleeks it up, like, you know, she knows what I like, because I did this curly hair before, so she knows what I like this little flat part right here. She got it like that. This part, I always give her a free part because that's what AliExpress always likes to sell. So she makes my part and everything. So now you guys can see the back of my wig. It probably looks dusted back there, but this is the back. And this is the front. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed learning how I put on my wig, and I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and put on the notifications so that you can see every time I post a video, because who wouldn't want to see every time I post a video? Just bitch. And if you guys want to know how I got this look, the link for this video is in the bio.